I'd like to show you a shadow box that I'm making to hold jewelry. I have my cutlery drawer, which I've used already to show my bottle display, but I have a lot of jewelry that I don't wear. Some of it is antique, some of it was my grandmother's, and I thought what a great way to display some of this jewelry. The first thing that you're going to need is some kind of insert into here so that you can put your jewelry on it. I used foam core board, and I simply cut it to fit the spaces inside the box. This obviously isn't a straight edge, but you would put a straight edge in here and mark it with your X-Acto knife and cut it to fit. Once you've done that, you want to cover it. Now, I chose felt, and well, this is also a kind of felt, to cover mine so that I had a consistency, but you could also use fabric. Once you've cut your foam core board or whatever you're going to use for an insert, cardboard would work as well, you need to cover your piece. You kind of do it like you would a Christmas present or a gift. Lay your piece on it, and you only need to overlap the back. It doesn't have to go all the way. I like to cut the corners like you would a Christmas gift so that you don't have a lot of extra fabric or paper if you're using paper in there. So you just fold it over and glue it down, and then fold it over and glue it down, making sure that you have your corners tucked in. And then you have a piece that's ready for your jewelry. Once I did that, I laid my jewelry out in the order that I wanted, in the colors that I wanted, and I'm ready to put them in. So it's very simple to insert them because since you cut it to size, it's just a little bit tight in there. So it's a nice solid fit. So that is the first piece of jewelry that's fit in there, and because I used a foam core board, I can use the jewelry itself to attach it excuse me, to the pieces. So you want to put all of your pieces in one by one. The beauty of it is that you can arrange and rearrange it to your liking. You can also vary the depth of the pieces. So this one I could push in a little bit farther and leave this one out more. So as you can see, I will finish putting my jewelry in here, and I will have a shadow box for jewelry, whether it's antique, costume, or just plain fun.